Yeah, I'm on my gang shit. Whole gang bang shit. Whole thing gang shit. In the Benz, I'm tryna lane switch. Deep inside, they know I whack 'em, just be on cool shit. I got this fully automatic, you can't swerve through the back street. Straight up out the yeah. Everybody got a blick.
Mississippi TV.
We got Mississippi TV. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
That's right. I appreciate that.
All right, got you.
Come on.
Going on, man. Tatiana got me up early this morning coming through the city. You feel me? On my way to Bert's. One of the top alignment spot in the city. So yeah, I got my appointment at 8. You know what I'm saying? My appointment at 8. I'll probably be there a little early than scheduled. Just so I get a little walk around, a little footed. You know what I'm talking about? I'm getting alignment because you know I just did the suspension on the joint, where the front suspension. The rest of the front suspension that was left. Gear bar, pitman arm, idler arm, center link. So I'm finna go ahead and get that thing aligned. I know I had told y'all was gonna hear from me last week on my way to King of the Street. They still had King of the Street, but you know what I'm saying, the water kind of got in the way. So a lot of people didn't come, but some people came, but I ain't go. But this weekend right here, it's the OBS Hot Wire cruising. You know, I've been going for the last 2 years, like 2 hours from here. You got the OBS beach and you got the OBS track, but this is gonna be on the beach side. So I'm looking forward to that. Me and my homeboy, me and my big dog with the Chevelle with the 582. Me and him probably gonna take that ride out there. I think he gonna drive the Monte Carlo this year. He ain't gonna take the Chevelle, so yeah. I'm looking forward to it, boy. But yeah. Well, when I get back, the car gonna get paused so fast and go back to sleep. Shit. Wow, I was struggling, goddamn, trying to fall asleep last night. Especially trying to go to bed earlier than what I usually go to bed, like my normal time. So it was like a struggle. But yeah, when you're handling big, you gotta handle big. You gotta go on, get up, get it over with. Oh yeah, like I said, I'm on my way to on my way to Bert's right now. One of the top alignment spots in the city. Last time they touched my car was 2K20, I think. But I got my rear suspension. I got all of it in 17. So we throw the rear on the 17. And then I think we waited till like 20 to put the front on. So I had it for a long time before I finally stopped playing, went on ahead and throw that thing on. So I hit y'all back when I pull up in that thing. Oh yeah, I just pulled up. Well, I'm across the street right now. Right there. Bert's alignment, y'all in the city. Y'all need the alignment done. Tap in with them boys. Big Tatiana. Ready to get that fresh alignment. Get ready for OBS cruising and everything go right. So my plan was to tomorrow go drop that 80 ball out and get it rebuilt. But I might wait though. And the reason why I say that because I'm not trying to buy another aluminum pan. The aluminum pan that's on here, I'm gonna use that one for that rebuild, you know what I'm saying? But if I take it off, that means I'm gonna have to buy another one. I'm gonna have to buy another one for the cruise this Saturday, which I'm gonna be rushing. It's gonna kind of be in my way for real. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna wait. Probably wait till I get that cruising thing over with the OBS, then send it out, because I need to send that pan with it. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. I'm finna get ready to pull up over there. I guess wait on these folks to come, because it look like there ain't nobody in. Oh yeah, I'm in the parking lot right now. Very good. I'm in the parking lot right now. So I gotta get that angle too. So gonna do it. That might do it right there. So yeah, ahead of schedule. He said it might take about 2 hours because I got the oversized rim. You feel me? So I came a little early. Cause I ain't wanted it to interfere with my time when it's time to go to work. So yeah, man, we about to get this thing aligned, get this thing ready for the weekend. It's a chance of rain, but what I really feel like, that chance of rain gonna go down by the time the weekend get ready to get here. So man, yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when them folk pulling that thing around, boy. That bitch sounds so good. That was fast too. I'm really just trying to catch the thing in motion 2 minutes time on the outside. Yes, sir. So yeah, at one line, they the number one in the state. They number one in the state. So I was talking to the young lady at the desk. She was like, the reason why they number one in the state because a lot of people won't touch big rim cars and a lot of people won't touch like lifted trucks. So she said she got some people that'll tow them all the way up from Florida, South Carolina, North Carolina. I was like, okay. I just making sure because I remember when I first came here, 2K20. Nah, I take that back. When I think my coworker Dan told me they the number one in the state, so that's how I remember that right there. So yeah, he just test driving that junk now. Shit, 30 minutes in, that ain't bad. I'm guessing the process over with. I don't know if he finna drive it, see what he got going on, then pull it back in or what. But he just came through, made a loop. Now he finna make another one. Stay tuned. really get a chance to catch that thing in motion 2 minutes time on the outside. Yes, sir. Yup, just like that. 45 minutes in, she done, baby. He said he got a slight pull. The little slight pull I got left is because my wore tire. Like I said, I got to replace them 3 anyway. But other than that, she good, dog. So yeah, with that being said, about to go back home, go to sleep. Catch y'all on the slab. We on our way to over here, baby. Everything work out.
Yeah, they know my